Yes, we are whooping this calendar kanyoko. Calendar kanyoko fortune. Play. Let your ghosty over there. Let your ghosty play. Why your ghosty can't play? Are you talking? Are you searching of Are you searching for your ghosty there? Are you searching of your broken people over there? Keep quiet. Parial, welcome, my baby. I can't activate your speed. I can't take it. It's your human right, okay? Come beg for your speed. Where is Zanili? Zanili, where are you? Ghosty, where are you? Eh? Give him some water. You don't deserve. You don't deserve until he says sorry today. Wa alaikum salam, my baby girl. How are you? No man, thank you, baby girl. No, thank you. Okay. You beggar. You beggar. Kyo, thank you, my king. Brie lady. Hey, Brie lady. Brie lady with your level 20. Trying to activating the speed. What you gonna do on speed, If you're activating the speed, what you gonna do? Your broke is they know how to activating the speed, but they can't do anything on speed. They can't do anything. My people, they're activating, but you see my score. You see my score. She whiny way. Guys, double my team. Guys, double. Guys, double. Guys, times 2 my chat, okay? Everybody, guys, go on times 2, guys. Go on times 2. Everybody on double. Everybody. Fortune, you are a small streamer, okay? Next time, just know I'm not your level. I'm not your size, okay? I'm not your size. You never whoop me like this, Fortune. Fortune, you never whoop me like this, Fortune. You are getting whoop. You are just our easy bread, daily bread, easy meal. Every day you beggar. Every day you are getting whoop. Every day, I told you, okay? Better mess up with every people, but don't mess up with my people. With my people, okay? When you mess up with them, they get angry like a king, okay? Like a bosses. You can't handle my smoke, okay? You can handle our smoke. You can handle it, okay? Dome, thank you. 1 minute and 30 seconds to go, guys. After this last game, guys, after this game, we are mushu with this guy. After this last game with this Marete. Buzi huyu. I love TikTok show. Msukure. Fortune, you are Aisha Mashaudi with your brokies over there. You are Aisha Mashaudi. You are Musulu with your Musulus over there, okay? You are Musulu. You are Musulu. I don't know what the meaning of Musulu. I know you love to say Musulu. I know it's some bad things, right? You are Musulu. You are Musulu with your team. Musulu. Musiwewe. Shuwaini wewe. Guys, this snipe my team, guys. Last second my chat, guys. Snipe. Wanapenda kusnipe hizi game za mwisho, guys, okay? And the last guys, the last game I screenshot. I screenshot so I'm gonna show he's a friend. I can show he's a friend. I whoop this guy. Aisha Mashauzi, yes. Aisha Mashauzi. Come back. We are playing with his friend later, and then I will show his friend. I whoop him. Guys, we are playing with his friend later. Play. Guys, this snipe, guys. Snipe, guys. Guys, snipe, guys. Guys, this snipe my team, guys. Guys, this snipe, guys. Guys, this snipe. Guys, this snipe. Guys, this snipe. Guys, this snipe, guys. Guys, go together. Yo, thank you so much, bro. To see your face, okay? I don't want to see your face. I love TikTok shop. Guys, this is the last one, guys. Last one, my chat, guys. And later, guys, we are playing with his friend. His friend is going to learn to. His friend pia anamdomo kama huyu. Guys, anamdomo kama huyu, guys. The last one. Yeah. Last one for Nahil. Nahil! For Nahil. Okay, I will tell him. Guys, that will first give times 2, guys. First give times 2, guys. Guys, double, guys. Guys, double. First give times 2, guys. you. I appreciate you so much, so much. Guys, everybody, respect to this guy. Respect to this guy. I give you a follow. I already follow you, bro. Accept me if you can, bro. I will appreciate it. Accept me, bro. Guys, everybody, appreciate this guy. Appreciate this guy. Everybody. God bless him. Allah. God bless you, Kyo. God bless you. And your pocket will never dry, bro.